Hi everyone, welcome back to the Automatic Addiction channel. Volkswagen has unveiled the third generation of the Tiguan in Europe, setting the stage for the US model, which will be based on the long-wheelbase version debuting next year. The new Tiguan is expected to hit the US market as a 2025 model, arriving after its European counterpart in early 2024. The 2025 Tiguan will likely retain the rugged look of its predecessor, featuring new flattened LED headlights and a redesigned front bumper with air curtains to improve aerodynamics, lowering the drag coefficient from 0.33 to 0.28. Notable options include IQ Light HD Matrix headlights with 19,200 LEDs for enhanced illumination. While the European model has seen slight growth, we expect the US version to follow suit, likely maintaining dimensions close to the current model's 109.9-inch wheelbase and 186.1-inch length. Though the US engine lineup is not confirmed, Europe's Tiguan offers a variety of powertrains, including turbo diesels, turbocharged gas engines, mild hybrids, and a plug-in hybrid, e-hybrid. The US may feature an upgraded version of the current turbocharged four-cylinder engine, delivering around 184 horsepower. A new plug-in hybrid is expected to produce up to 268 horsepower, significantly improving acceleration. All US-bound models are anticipated to come with automatic transmissions, standard front-wheel drive, and optional all-wheel drive. The interior of the 2025 Tiguan is set to be more high-tech, with a 15-inch infotainment screen and a revamped digital cockpit. The new design incorporates OLED display technology and an intuitive menu structure, along with a rotary dial for climate and audio controls. New ErgoActive Plus seats with massage functions and automatic climate control settings enhance comfort. Although the current Tiguan's interior is somewhat bland, the new model aims to offer a more engaging atmosphere with sporty red ambient lighting in vibrant accents. While official pricing for the 2025 Tiguan hasn't been announced, it's expected to start around $30,000, up from the current model's starting price of $28,505. Fully loaded versions, especially those with hybrid powertrains, could reach about $45,000. Key competitors include the Honda CR-V, starting at $29,500. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and exclusive content on automotive innovation. Thank you for watching.